how-tos.
All right, guys, so we're gonna pivot in this video. Probably seen a lot of pivot videos, but the problem is they don't establish themselves before they actually move. So it just looks good. You're moving out, you're continuously moving out. You wanna establish yourself first by honestly trying to have an angle and stepping on the outside of your opponent's foot. Then you rotate out, you turn out. Okay, but as you see, when I turn out, I'm not tight roping. My right leg is not directly behind my left leg. I still have my angle. All right, so we'll do it here. Step out, then around, and I'll move it right back to the front. I'll do that once again, and I'll switch to a southpaw stance, which simply means that my right leg is in front instead of my left leg. My right leg is in front. It's the same concept. Step out, then pivot out, right back to the front. One more time for southpaw. Step, then pivot. Nice.